Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn auto brightness on or off. With this tutorial, you will finally be able to get rid or add auto brightness in your iPhone iOS 16. The first step is opening settings. Now that you're here, go to accessibility and then find display and text size. So just scroll down and you can see auto brightness. It says turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance, because if you turn this off, then you might forget turning brightness off or turning brightness down, and that will affect your battery life because more brightness is more battery lost, and it's way better to turn auto brightness on. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.